All right, what's up, everybody? So today we're doing a little bit of different video. We're doing an unboxing of the Fanttik electric screwdriver. It got 50 bits, 0.6 millimeters of torque, and 800 milliamps. The battery. Eee. We got what we got. Oh, the usual books and shit. Pluck and follow to the side. Shout out to Floss. Oh, that's nice. All right. So with the new E2 Ultra, it got 5 speeds. I don't know if you can see the light. When you change the speed, it changes to the light. Obviously forward and back. We got LEDs in the front. And this is supposed to pull out. Hey. This is the 50 bits, which rotates. Pretty cool. So what do we use this for? Anything. So for 3D, in the 3D world, basically to fix your 3D printers and take them apart, remove clogs, a bunch of stuff. So you push this in, that's how you lock it, push it in, push this down, it's locked. It ain't coming out. Take it back out, shut up, boom. Not bad, not bad. Comes with a charger, which is, I mean, I could have just checked the plug, but USB-C to A. Yeah, not bad. Not sponsored, by the way, not yet. But that's about it. So you'll be seeing this in future videos. Peace.